model, 2019 Peugeot partner Asphalt L2 Bluehdi it.Genuine low mileage spares or repairs. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 77,332. MOT, the 9th of July 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover, camshaft chain has snapped, easy fix for the right person. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, parking sensors, cruise control, 2 keys, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.